Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys how you can change the default search engine of Google Chrome. For that I am going to add Google as the default search engine in Google Chrome. Sometimes we might mistakenly change the search engine in Google. For example, here I change it to Microsoft Bing to show you guys how to change back to Google. So first you have to click on this three dot icon, then open settings. After that you have to click on search engine. From here you can change back to Google. You can also know more about the search engine. For that, click on Manage Search Engine. Here you can see all the search engines available. You can click on this three dot icon and click on Make Default to select Google as search engine. So these are the ways you can select Google as the search engine in Google Chrome. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching.